Hello, we are from Kacsa Audio, Budapest, Hungary. At the moment we are exhibiting at the Integrated System Europe in Amsterdam, where we introduce our main products, the different assembly cables by meter and different kind of connectors. All these assemblings are made in Budapest, Hungary, handmade assembling work. In any custom lengths you can reach our analog, digital, video, HDMI power cord cables. What we are assembling with our wide range of connectors, RCA, banana, all different kind of adapters in our assortment. We are using high quality gold-plated Teflon insulated connectors in most cases, which products you can reach and follow our company, our website under www.kacsa-audio.hu, and you can find us on the Facebook as well.